Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our baby. It's not. We haven't actually got a physical baby. Well, our baby's grown up now, but yeah, this is our Penny. We're inside Penny, our micro camper. Just wanted to give you a little visual for those who don't know me. My name's Nick. I'm the pilot behind the channel that you all love to tune in to, Simstrones. And yeah, just wanted to give you a little introduction. Just say we're at, where are we, Helen? Llangenneth, which is down the Gower. Beautiful Gower, beautiful beaches, beautiful cliffs tops, scenery to die for.
Not far from Worm's Head.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of you know Worm's Head. So we're gonna bring you some lovely little films from here and Worm's Head on Simstrones, this channel.
We're just hiding from the heat because it's very hot.
Yeah. So keep your eyes peeled, guys, because there's going to be some outstanding drone footage. Because I know you're all here to see my drone work and not, hear me rabbit on a load of bull, like. So, yeah, keep your eyes peeled, guys, because there's going to be lots of exciting videos coming for you soon, alright?
If you like, ring the bell.
Like and subscribe, guys, and ring the bell for further notifications, alright?